Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create stickers on your iPhone, but from your WhatsApp, okay? Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is to open your WhatsApp. There are two methods that you can do it, okay? So first, you have to open one contact, conversation, and then you are going to, let's say that you have the keyboard right here, and then you're gonna tap on this little sticker or post-it button or icon. Here you can see that there is a button that says create and a plus on the left corner from this box. Okay, so you're gonna tap on create. Here you're gonna just add one picture right here. Let's say I want to add this one. So this one is the one that you want to create a sticker. Okay, so I am going to add some text, and here I'm gonna add it to this picture, and this is going to be my sticker. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on send, and now I have a sticker customized. Okay, so now this is one of the ways that you can create one. Okay, so just tap on the post-it right here, and then you have the create option. Okay, so now just select picture that you want to make a sticker from. Okay, so you have this sticker now here, and you want to add here, like for example, you want to add a text that says plants, and then you can move this around and or put it right here, and here you have your new sticker. You send it, and here it is. Now to save it, just tap on it. You can create a star. Now this sticker that you have created is now saved here on these buttons right here. So you have now two stickers, and it's easier just to send it right here. Okay, so now the other option that you have is to just go ahead and tap on a picture right here, on this picture right here. So you're gonna tap on this, and then you're gonna hold it. Just hold, and you will see this part where it's like a magic. Then you, while holding it, just go to WhatsApp, and then just drop it here. As you can see, there's a plus button. If you go here, there's no plus button. So you have to go to that chat. And once that you're there, you just drop it. And you have three options. You have send, you have edit sticker. You can edit this sticker as well. Let's just add surprised. I'm gonna add the word surprise. Surprised. And I'm gonna put these here, and I'm gonna send it to myself. So now I have a sticker as well. So you have two ways to customize and add stickers right here. And this is the way that you will do it on WhatsApp from your iPhone. It is really easy and really simple. So I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.